In today's business environment, there exist two types of firms: companies established in the digital age and those preceding it. Due to the digital revolution, today, customers and consumers have the same expectations from both types: to deliver quick and easy-to-use services online. Contemporary companies have no issues adapting themselves to the current digital environment, and they are taking advantage of the latest technologies to deliver a superior consumer experience. Older businesses, however, are struggling to adjust to modern digital expectations. Being able to survive and thrive in today's competitive digital world requires strong performance in four key areas. First, enterprises should learn how to deliver new digital products and services on a regular basis in order to meet evolving customer expectations. Secondly, there has to be a harmonious synergy between the firm's online and physical presence. Furthermore, in order to get an insight into changing consumer preferences and behaviors, the company should make use of current technologies like big data and business analytics. Finally, in order to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction, businesses should be capable of digitizing business processes and automating operations. The best way to integrate these conditions for digital success is by implementing a two-speed IT architecture. A two-speed IT architecture consists of two components: a flexible high-speed IT system focused on the customer, complemented by a slower, more reliable legacy IT system for running the operations. Let's take a look at an example to make things clearer. Suppose that Bol.com's digital business model is a two-speed IT architecture. Their internal back-end operations, such as their warehousing and supply chain systems, would be organized on the slower legacy IT system in order to reduce mistakes and deliver reliable services. On the other hand, Bol's customer interaction interface would be organized on the high-speed IT system. Think, for example, of their ordering, advertising, and tracking systems. These are all IT systems which are expected to operate in a fast, efficient way and which are easy to manage and keep updated. Older companies have a slight disadvantage by having to build a new, modern infrastructure on top of a legacy foundation, but they are offset by the gains of having such a system. By having a two-speed IT architecture, many of the biggest problems companies face can be solved. Due to the slow speed of older systems, companies often cannot offer tailor-made services across various channels or integrate their databases in real time. By adding a second, quicker system, this allows businesses the possibility of giving a more client-centric and up-to-date service. In order to have a successful integration of a new two-speed IT architecture, several critical points have to be considered. A willingness to change. Building a new IT architecture will require a considerable amount of capital, and thus a need to develop a different mindset with regards to technology. A new governance model. This is necessary in order to ensure a smooth interaction between the business aspect as well as the IT side of the company. Finally, it is important not to forget about the slower back-end system. Both systems are paramount to the overall success of a two-speed IT architecture. To finish off, we would like to give some critical remarks regarding the text and its main idea: the two-speed IT architecture. First of all, the paper assumes all businesses, big or small, to be capable and willing to invest more resources in their digital business model. However, in practice we see that not every firm can afford to spend more of its investment resources into development of IT infrastructure. Secondly, the question arises if a two-speed IT architecture guarantees success in every industry. In other words, does it bring an added value to, say, an agricultural company where IT infrastructure may not be a priority? Finally, we were wondering if the two-speed IT architecture may perhaps already be an outdated concept and not worth investing in. The digital environment is developing at unprecedented speeds, and as such, there may be newer and more successful models emerging.